that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This video we are back. What is that? Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. The stupid license, I hate it. Let me just go put that down there. But anyway guys, let's carry on. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are back. Today we're unboxing more of these. And by more, I mean I have like one here. So technically one more, yeah. So yeah, we got one more. That's what I call one more. Okay, now I have a lot more. Just look at this. Selfie. Oh no. Okay. So yeah, there they are. Let's just get them. Okay, where should we unbox them? Because this doesn't seem like a good place. There we go. Much better place. I think Nautical wants to get in. But anyway, guys, let's just carry on unboxing these things. I prefer this place actually. There you go. I just sit down. Hi. So I can't put this chair down. Wait, where's my rainbow guy? Oh, there it is. There you go. So this is the one I unboxed in the last video. Before I will have these. This is orb. No. Okay, let's unbox this first one. Wait, I got one, two, three, four more. Four more. It's a green one. Straight off the bat, a green one. Guys, this is sick. Okay, green one, done. Let's check the next pack. Wait, I see black. Oh! Oh my god, this guy's sick. Look at this guy. Lucky. It's okay, guys. Last two packs already. We are going through this quick. Let me just, yeah, just put this up. There we go. Nearly done. This one's hard to open. Maybe it's gonna be special. Who knows? Ow! It's another black one, guys. I think it's a duplicate. No, it's not. What the heck? Oh my god, last one. Come on, please be the ultra rare, please. Look. Okay, it's the green one. I mean, that's still good. But it's a duplicate. Our first duplicate and our last duplicate. I think that's it. Let me go check. Yeah. So I checked and yeah. Let's just show them all one by. So this is the rainbow one, all known and loved. Oh yeah. So this is the one I got first. Then I unboxed a green one. Actually, which is sick too. He's the same happy face. Then I unboxed this one, I'm pretty sure. Wait, I'm pretty sure there's secret ones. Is that a secret one or not? Nah, it's not. Sad. But yeah, so this is the other one I have. He's not as that animated. He is. So yeah, that one. And then this one. And then the last one.